In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate ThriveCart with Shopify, step by step, even if you're not a tech expert. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and whether you're trying to build a slicker checkout experience, add upsells and funnels, or just make more money per customer, this is for you. We'll talk about why you'd want to combine ThriveCart with Shopify in the first place, go over the best workarounds since they don't integrate natively, and then I'll walk you through the exact steps to set it up. Let's dive in. What is ThriveCart anyway? Now, if you're still getting familiar, ThriveCart is a checkout platform designed to help online sellers increase revenue with smarter sales funnels. Some of the features include one-click upsells and bumps, subscription billing, affiliate management, built-in course platform, A/B testing and analytics, sales tax tools. It's used by over 300,000 businesses and has processed billions in sales. For Shopify users, it acts as a booster pack for your sales engine. Now, why combine ThriveCart with Shopify? All right, let's answer the obvious question first. Why would you even want to use ThriveCart if you already have Shopify? Because ThriveCart fixes a lot of Shopify's weak spots. Shopify's checkout is pretty basic, especially on lower tier plans. Upsells, downsells, and order bumps, those are not built in. Affiliate programs, you're paying for another app. ThriveCart brings all of that to the table. High converting checkout pages, one-click upsells and order bumps, built-in affiliate management, better subscription billing options, and it's a one-time payment, so there's no monthly fee. That combo lets you use Shopify for your storefront, products, and branding, while using ThriveCart for the checkout and back-end optimization. It's like putting a turbocharger on your Shopify store. Can you directly integrate ThriveCart and Shopify? The short answer is no. There's no official or native integration. But the good news is that there are multiple proven workarounds that'll let you use them together seamlessly. We'll cover 4 main methods: custom buy buttons, embed codes, landing page redirects, and Zapier automation. Let's break down each one. But first, if you want to get started with either Shopify or ThriveCart, there will be links down in the description so you can follow along. Just click down there and get set up. Method 1, custom buy buttons. This is the easiest way to start. How it works. So what you do is you create your product in ThriveCart, copy the checkout link, add a buy now button on your Shopify product page that links directly to that ThriveCart checkout page. So instead of sending people to Shopify's cart, you jump straight to ThriveCart's optimized funnel. So this lets you show upsells right after the main purchase, use one-click bumps and upgrades, capture more revenue per sale. Now here's a pro tip. You can hide Shopify's default add to cart button so it's less confusing. Method 2, embedded checkout forms. Want to keep people on your site instead of redirecting? You can use ThriveCart's embed feature. Here are the steps. In ThriveCart, go ahead and grab the embed code for your product. Paste it into your Shopify page using the HTML editor. This puts the checkout right on your Shopify store. No redirects needed. Just make sure that the page is mobile friendly so it doesn't look janky on phones. Method 3, redirect to a ThriveCart landing page. Now this works great for higher ticket offers. So instead of sending people to a product page inside Shopify, you can redirect them to a full ThriveCart landing page. These pages are customizable with your branding, product details, and upsells. This way, you get more control over the sales pitch, funnel steps with upsells and downsells, better conversion tracking. And this method works well for digital products, courses, memberships, and high-ticket physical goods. Method 4, Zapier or Webhook automation. Now this one's for more power users who want more automation behind the scenes. Let's say someone checks out through ThriveCart. You can set up a Zap to create an order inside Shopify, send a follow-up email, tag them in your CRM. You can also use ThriveCart webhooks if you're more technical. Now this isn't required for most setups, but it's useful if you want order data synced in Shopify for inventory, fulfillment, or analytics. Step-by-step tutorial, setting it all up. So let's walk through this full setup now that you know the different options. Step 1, create product in ThriveCart. So log into your ThriveCart and click create product. Choose digital or physical. Set your pricing, delivery options, and checkout style. So let's go ahead and do that now. I'm gonna go log into my ThriveCart account here. Now let's go ahead and add a product. So I'll come here to product and sales. All right, so here in my ThriveCart are all of my products. So for this product, I'm just gonna go ahead and we'll select this 30-minute consultation call, and we'll go ahead and select get URL. Step 2, grab checkout URL or embed code. Now, once your product is created or selected, ThriveCart gives you a link and embed code. You can choose based on which method you're using. Step 3, update your Shopify product page. Go to Shopify, products, your product, and add a custom HTML button or block and link it to your ThriveCart checkout. Optionally, hide Shopify's default add to cart button. Step 4, test it all. Now, visit the product page as a customer. Make sure everything loads, links correctly, and looks good on mobile. Test the full checkout flow all the way to fulfillment. So here we have some different options. Here we have our checkout URL here. So we can go ahead and copy URL right here. And this is where we go ahead and paste this into our product page inside of our Shopify store. Now, if we want, we can go ahead and click right here, click on view checkout, and that'll open up this page right here. So this is what this checkout page will look like. So on your Shopify product page where you have a 30-minute consultation call, you can go ahead and once you click on that, after you link it to this page, this is where it'll bring you to. So it'll take you from Shopify to ThriveCart to fulfill the checkout portion. Now, if you want, you can come right in here too, and you can edit this checkout. So if you don't love the way that this looks, you can come in here, and after you click on edit checkout, this is where you can go ahead and customize this whole thing. So you can go ahead and add different headings, images, testimonials, customize this completely to your heart's desire. Using funnels and upsells with ThriveCart. One of ThriveCart's biggest strengths is its sales funnels. When someone buys your product, you can immediately show them an upsell page. For example, upgrade to VIP for $47 more. If they say no, you can offer a downsell. Something like try it for $17 instead. Then take them to a confirmation or thank you page. You can add these upsells inside the checkout editor inside of ThriveCart by clicking the drop down and adding new funnel steps. It supports one-click upsells, downsells, replacing previous products, example switching from monthly to yearly. Each step is drag and drop customizable, just like your main checkout page. What to watch out for. ThriveCart and Shopify is powerful, but there are a few quirks that you might need to manage. Inventory isn't synced. You'll need to manually update Shopify stock if you sell physical items. Fulfillment is manual unless you automate with Zapier. ThriveCart doesn't talk directly to your shipping or inventory tools. Shopify payments won't work with this. ThriveCart uses Stripe, PayPal, and Apple Pay. That means Shopify may charge extra fees since you're using a different processor. Branding consistency matters, so keep your ThriveCart page looking like your Shopify site for a seamless experience. ThriveCart alternatives for Shopify users. If ThriveCart doesn't feel quite right, there are a few other options out there. Number 1 is CartHook, which is made for Shopify and it's great for funnels, but it costs monthly. Funnelish. This works with Shopify checkout and it supports upsells. Zipify Pages. This helps you build landing pages and upsells inside Shopify. Reconvert. This is best for post-purchase upsells and thank you pages. But keep in mind, most of these charge monthly fees. ThriveCart's big advantage is the lifetime deal. You pay once and you use it forever. So if you want to get started with ThriveCart, we'll have a link for you down in the description, which will bring you to this page right here. All you need to do is click on Get My Lifetime Account Now, which will bring you to ThriveCart's own checkout page here, where you can go ahead and get lifetime access for $495. Now, they also have a Pro Plus upgrade for an additional $295 per year. So is ThriveCart and Shopify worth it? If you care about more conversions, higher average order value, better affiliate tools, and long-term savings from no monthly fees, then yeah, it's 100% worth setting up. It takes a little bit of setup up front, but once your funnels are live and the upsells start tracking, you'll wonder why you didn't switch sooner. Frequently asked questions. So can ThriveCart actually replace Shopify? The answer is no. ThriveCart is a checkout system. You still need Shopify to host your store, products, and blog. Can you use ThriveCart for digital products? Yes. ThriveCart is perfect for ebooks, online courses, memberships, and coaching. Can you still use Shopify Analytics if you check out with ThriveCart? Yes, but only if you embed tracking codes like Facebook Pixel or Google Analytics into your ThriveCart pages. Is there a ThriveCart Shopify app? No official app, but you can integrate manually like we we went over in this video. Can you use Shopify payments with ThriveCart? No. ThriveCart uses Stripe, PayPal, and Apple Pay. That wraps up this video. And if you want to get started with ThriveCart, Shopify, or any other e-commerce tools that we recommend, you'll find links for them down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which mean we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we're dedicated to helping you succeed with e-commerce by providing tips, strategies, and insights to grow your online business. So be sure to subscribe. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.